Hi, my name is Heba and today I'm going to be talking to you about clouds. Clouds form when rising air cools and the moisture in it condenses to form water droplets. Air rises for three main reasons. Sunshine. The heat from the sun or warm ground warms the air and makes it lighter. This causes it to rise into the sky. The terrain. Air may rise as it is forced upwards due to the changes in the terrain landscape. This often occurs when wind blows air either over mountains or over cliffs onto land from the sea. A front. Air can also rise at a weather front. At cold fronts, cold air is pushed under warm air, forcing it upwards, and at a warm front, warm moist air is forced up and over the cold air. In all three of these cases, the warm moist air will cool as it rises, and so the moisture it contains will condense into water droplets, forming clouds. There must be three main ingredients present in order for clouds to form. First one is moisture. There must be sufficient water vapor in the air to build a cloud. Second is cooling air. The air temperature must decrease enough for water vapor to condense. And a condensation nuclei, tiny particles invisible to the human eye, such as dirt, dust, and pollutants, which provide surfaces on which water molecules can gather and condense into water droplets. As you can see, there are different clouds that form under different conditions in the sky. The first is cirrocumulus clouds, which appear as small rounded white puffs. The small ripples in the cirrocumulus sometimes resemble the scales of a fish. A sky with cirrocumulus clouds is sometimes referred to as a mackerel sky. Altocumulus clouds are middle-level clouds that are made of water droplets and appear as grey puffy masses, sometimes rolled out in parallel waves or bands. The appearance of these clouds on a warm, humid summer morning often means thunderstorms may occur by late afternoon. Another type is stratus clouds, which are uniform greyish clouds that often cover the entire sky. They resemble fog that does not reach the ground. Usually no precipitation falls from the stratus clouds, but sometimes they may drizzle. When a thick fog lifts, the resulting clouds are low stratus. Another type is cirrus clouds, which are thin, wispy clouds blown by high winds into long streamers. They are considered high clouds forming above 6,000 meters. Cirrus clouds usually move across the sky from west to east, and they generally mean fair to pleasant weather. And the last type of cloud type is altostratus clouds, which are grey or blue-grey middle-level clouds composed of ice crystals and water droplets. These clouds usually cover the entire sky. In the thinner areas of the cloud, the sun may be dimly visible as a round disk. Altostratus clouds often form ahead of storms that will produce continuous precipitation. And that's all there is today about clouds. Thank you.